Hey, what's up? This is KAS for After Effects tutorial, and now time to working a movie title Star Wars in After Effects and Illustrator. Let's start. First, open your Adobe Illustrator, import the logo of Star Wars, and then select and click Image Trace. Then expand it and right click, ungroup, delete the white background, and then select Star Wars, empty the fill color, and then turn on stroke like this, and then Ctrl+C on keyboard, copy, and then go to After Effects, create a new project, create a new composition, and then right here Star Wars title, Ctrl K for composition setting, change the time 5 seconds, fit your screen, turn on title action save area, and then create a new solid, Ctrl+Y, and right here logo, enter Ctrl+V for paste. Okay, and now create another new solid, Ctrl+Y, and right here SABER light, press enter, and then go to effects, video copilot, SABER light, and then go to customize core, SABER change to text layer, or you can select layer mask. And now there is your layer mask. You can paste your mask onto SABER light, Ctrl+V, like this, or you can delete your logo again, and now press Ctrl for slowly down glow intensity rate, like this. Yeah, that is great. And now you can animate like this. Go to customize, start offset, turn on start offset, go to second 2. It's mean in 1 second you want to animate your logo, or in 2 seconds. Change to 0 and then press U for keyframe, right click, keyframe, easy ease for smooth animate. Yeah, that's good. And there is another effect on your SABER light logo motion, flicker. Set the rate 20 and then play. Good. And change the speed 30. Play. Change the amount rate 70. Great. Okay, and now time to create stars. But how? Ctrl+Y for creating another new solid layer, and right here stars, press enter and go to effects and presets. Create stars by fractal noise effect, drop on solid, and change contrast, brightness, contrast, like this. And go to transform, change the scale down. Good. And now you can animate evolution from start. Stopwatch in 5 seconds. 5. Play now. Good. But where is the stars? Select Saber Light, press F4 for mode, change to add. Okay, that's good. Render test. Stars animation too fast. Select again, go to 5 seconds, change it to play now. Great. Press U. Easy ease. Okay, now time to create Earth or Moon or Jupiter, but which one? First, go to Chrome. There is a website, Solar System Scope, and there is high quality texture. You can download 4K, 8K about Mercury, Mars, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, and Earth. And then select one of these, and there is downloaded Mars texture, but 4K, 2K. Right click, save image as desktop, save. Go to After Effects and then double click, open Mars texture and drop in your composition. And now right here, CC sphere. There is CC sphere. Drop this effect on Mars JPEG, and there is option change radius high and move here and go to shading. You can control the the Mars shading, specular, reflective, roughness. Okay, go to rotation, stopwatch, change to 1, and now play. Okay, that is great, but move the Mars one side and go to radius, change radius rate like this. Which side is really good? Okay, and then create another new solid, name it light, and change this solid color to black. Press OK and then go to effects, select no light factory and change mode to add. And now go to choose a flare. You can select the lens flare, color and design. There is a lot of presets. Which one is good? So select blue giant and move the light behind of Mars and change the brightness, and need one more light, center of Star Wars. Change Star Wars color to yellow and create another new solid, name it warm light. Okay, go to effects, no light factory, and then go to choose a flare. Need a strike light, just strike light, but warm color like this strike light. Where is another one like this strike light? The big problem in no light factory is not editable the presets like no like optical flares, but select this one, move it here, change to add, yeah, that is great, and select the mirrors, change the size, and now right click, create adjustment layer, and drop camera lens blur, double click on it. How is this? That's good. Select the light, stopwatch, and go to 2 seconds, change the brightness and move the light like this, and select adjustment layer from start, stopwatch, go to in 2 seconds, down like this, change to 1. Okay, and now render, that is good, but move the mirrors behind of blue light, select the light, move here and change preset of this light. Just we need a strike, but we have no just a strike light without this one. Change the color to warm like this, and go to stars, change the scale 3 or more down, press Ctrl, play now. Yeah, that is good. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about movie title Star Wars, and don't forget like and subscribe the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.